Shailesh and you're watching PHP tutorials. Today we are going to see the CRUD operation in PHP for MySQL database. We are going to insert data, read data, update data and delete the data from the table. So first of all, we'll just see how to insert data into the database table. So college is our database and students is our table which we have created in previous section. Now I just insert one data over here like Shailesh and the class is 12th standard. And if I just click on this go button, so it is giving me one insert query over here. So I just need to copy this and keep it with us, and we can keep it in insert SQL equals to, in the double quotes we have to write this semicolon should be outside. And the another one thing, if I just browse here, so you can see this data available here. And second thing is I need to add some other data like Shah Rukh, and he is in 12th standard but in arts. And if I want to insert this data into the database, so first of all I need to create a connection with the database. So let's just try to make a connection by using object new mysql I, and the first parameter is localhost, second parameter is username, the third parameter is password. And if I found the connection and connect error, if it is not connected then it should show a message connection failed, connect error function. And if the connection is established successfully, then successfully establish the connection and should come into a new line. So I'll just save this program as in the PHP program, the all types, and here I'll need to write CRUD MySQL PHP.php. Well, this is simply nothing but create, read, update and delete. So all this is called as combine a CRUD operation. If I just go to our programs list, here you can find, just need to refresh this. So CRUD MySQL is available here. And if I just click on it, syntax error, unexpected, open curly brace. So I just need to check this on line number 16. Else or spelling mistake. Now the database connection is established successfully. Now if I want to insert this another data into our table, that is nothing but a students table of the college database. So I have taken out this query, insert query from this insertion, and I'm just using it in the same way. If I want to insert this data into the database, so I can use the connection object arrow and just need to use one method of that object. And here I can see insert SQL, and let's take it in one flag so I can see whether our insert query runs successfully or not. So random this $flag. You need to just take care about this. The fourth parameter is a database. So our database is college. So I should write college over here. And if I just save this and run this code, So it is showing boolean true over here. That means our insert query runs successfully. And if I refresh this, so it is showing a value over there. Now what if I don't want to use this fourth parameter? So I can just remove this fourth parameter. I'm just removing from here, and let's just edit this data. Salmaan, which is in 12th, commas. And if I want to put the data, so it is showing false because we haven't specified a table name in this code. So I need to provide the database name over here to run it successfully. So the database is college. So if I reload this page, so it is running successfully. And if I just refresh this, so it is showing the Salmaan data over here. So that's how you can use this insert query with this MySQL connection object. Now what if I want to edit some data? So I can use a query, simple query, that is update SQL equals to update same college and student. Copy this, paste over here in the college database students table, and I want to update name. So I should say set name equals to Shah Rukh Khan, where ID equals to single quote 3. So the Shah Rukh would be replaced with the Shah Rukh Khan, as we have update query over here. Now if I just run this code, it is showing insert SQL. Oh, insert SQL is not with us now, so I need to pass this query update SQL. And if I just refresh this, so it is showing boolean true. Now click on this browse button one more time. It is showing a Shah Rukh Khan over here. So update query is also running very fine. Now what if I want to delete some data? Let's say I want to delete my own name, as I am not a star. So $delete SQL equals to delete this college database students table, where ID equals to 2. Or I can put another variable also. Name equals to Shailesh. Wherever there is Shailesh, it should delete, and delete from database table. Now just replace this update SQL with this delete SQL. And if I just refresh this, so it is showing true. That means our query runs successfully. And if I just refresh this, so it is showing only 2 records. My data has been lost from there. So that's how you can use a delete also. So till now we have seen insert, update and delete query. Now what if I want to select data from this database table? So I'll use select SQL equals to select star from the same college database and students table. So this should run and give us some result. So this is going to give some result to us. So I should write result over here, and bottom also result. Now just refresh, save it and refresh this. So it is showing one object over here. Now our query runs successfully and result is also showing this object. Now what if I want to show all this data over here in our page? So I can use one object, that is result and fetch Ashok. So this function is going to return us a result. So I want to run it till the end of the record. So I'll use a while loop, and here I can pass this value to a row and print this row. Well, Ashok is nothing but it will return associative array, and print r $row. Save this, and if I just refresh this, so you can see a data over here. Let's just try to format this by using a pre tag. So you can see both the data is available over here. Now what if I want to print this whole data in a tabular format? So I can use table over here. Just need to close this, and here I can write a table. This should be closed with the PHP, and table should also close. And in the another thing, echo tr, that is nothing but a table row, echo /tr, and the data would be echo td dot $row of what? $row of name, or you can say first one is id and the close td. Let's just copy this. So the second parameter would be name, the third one would be class. Okay, so in this way you can see the data in a tabular format on the browser. I'll just refresh this, and pattern also I'll need to refresh, comment this, and the pre is okay, fine. And if I just save and run this, so it is showing me a data in proper format. I can use table border to show it in very proper format. So see, here you can see whole data is coming from this database table. So that's how you can use a CRUD operation in PHP for MySql. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching.